Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So yesterday I was to do a room tour, but guys, I got in so not so late. I was a bit tired, so I didn't make it. Plus, guys, journeys and babies along are a bit, you understand, for parents. So guys, today is the day I am going to give you guys a room tour. Have you subscribed? Please guys, if you haven't, please consider subscribing, like, share, hit that notification bell so that when I drop a new video you will be notified ASAP. Welcome in. So guys, see all this space, man. This place is beautiful. That's why I didn't want to rush it yesterday. I wanted to take my time and show you guys this area. Looks so beautiful. We can start from here.
I thought Mama had promised me a mockingbird, and each note that she sings kind of reminds.
Y'all can see that table very well laid, you see how it looks like? Yeah, that is. We have a microwave, we have a fridge, chargers back there. Look at the TV.
There's a problem here.
Everything here is wooden, my people. Very nice aesthetics. We have a TV where we can do our thing. The tables are looking nice. The couches are awesome, as you can see. This place is beautiful. It is a nice place. Have you showed them this tree? Wow. I am assuming it's a tree. Yeah, I bet it is. So guys, come to the bedroom.
Although I know it's fucked up here, it probably could be worse. I count my blessings, I guess I'm lucky I've got the work. And it seems like we're happy, at least I know we were.
This is the baby's cot. This is where my boy slept. Looking so good. These people are very mindful of people with young families. And now, here comes the master. See guys, yani people, I woke up in the morning and tried to make this bed. So you can imagine, look at that bed. Look at that bed, guys. Awesome. Awesome is understatement. Can you guys imagine I slept here? Awesome. Looking so beautiful. There's this thing here where if you don't want all the pillows, you can just throw them over there. Another compartment. Look at the lights, guys. Can you guys see the lighting? Can you see that lighting? And the other one over there, so beautiful. There's like a bedside where you can just put your stuff. Look at this lighting. These people have really done a great job here. Here comes a kind of closet. Here's where we arranged our stuff. Yeah, you can see how the place looks beautiful. See guys, you can already assume, think, well.
Let's be honest with each other from now on. And I took things for granted, now so much is gone. I keep treading water, trying not to drown. I miss the people I know in this lonely town. I hope they know I love them, even if I'm not there now. I thought Mama had promised me a mockingbird, and each note that she sings kind of reminds me of her.
So guys, this place is also awesome. As you can tell, I'm in the mirror. And it is so beautiful, guys. You all can see almost everything here is wooden. Almost everything. makes it even look better. Here is where you can, you know, arrange your towels or your bathing items. Now see this. I do not know whether my camera person will capture this well. Guys, to the bathroom, to the restroom, it's a sliding door. Imagine, guys. Imagine, my people. It's a sliding door up to the end. So beautiful. Look at the details over here. Very nice, very nice. So to the restroom, something that really caught my attention here. Imagine the toilet seat to start with. Guys, I hope you can capture it well. Is it? I know, I am pretty sure there's no good lighting inside here, but guys, the toilet seat is wooden, guys. Imagine, there's plenty of water, the toilets can flush well, and to the shower place. Guys, I'm telling you, these people didn't come here to joke. Have a look at the shower. Guys, can you see that? Can you see where the shower is fixed? On woods, guys. On woods. Imagine. The shower is fixed on woods. Very nice aesthetics over here. A lot of stuff for the shower over here. Yeah. This place is beautiful. Very mindful place. Very nice. Very awesome restroom. So now, guys, see where this door heads to? Can I all imagine? Can you guess? It has something nice that I want to talk about. So yeah, guys, I am thinking we will go to the upstairs. There's some rooms upstairs, guys. Did I mention that? If I didn't, let me tell you guys, there are rooms upstairs. That is where my friend and her daughter slept. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for the upstairs? Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Please subscribe, like, share, comment, hit that notification bell. I am taking you guys upstairs. Let's go. So guys, come with me. We are going upstairs. Oh my.
I know I love them, even if I'm not there now.
So guys who come upstairs have not missed anything. Actually, I think, in my opinion, it is a nice place for people to come chill. There's a whole couch. This is the girl's jacket. So there is a whole couch, a whole table, and imagine, guys, you can just chill here, sip your drink, work on your laptop, work on your phone, work on your mind, guys. And yeah, continue. Look at the lighting. These people have really done a great job. Great job. So let me take you. Can you all, guys, before I take you to the bedroom, can you all see down there? Imagine, you can just come chill here and talk to people while they're down there, like, yo, huh? Ah, beautiful, very nice. So guys, there is Wi-Fi. Did I mention that? The router is just here, so people are just having a good time. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready before I open this door? Are you ready? This place, I told you, everywhere I go, beautiful place. So guys, are you ready, or should we do it next time? The next time we come here. Anyway, I'm kidding. Subscribe, like, share, comment, so that you can come in and see what we have to offer. guys. Oh, see the beds, complete with mosquito nets, so nobody can complain. Oh, I didn't like that place, it's full of mosquitoes. Nope. This is one of the beds, and every bed has their lamp, you know. I don't know whether this thing is on. This is like a lamp. And yeah, guys, can you see the view, guys? There's a very nice view on this side, very nice view. So when you're upstairs, you can still come, you know, chill and watch everything there. And guys, there is another bed. This place is awesome. Yeah, y'all can see they have bedside lamps. You see how it's working? You see, guys? So this is a place I would recommend. 101, guys. So this place has twin beds for 2 people, for kids, for mother, daughter, mother, son. I don't know. Anyone who wants, for friends. Not a must to come with your partners or your kids. You can just come with your friends. There's like a whole closet area where you can just place your luggage. So yeah, guys, what did I miss? Nothing. But before that, guys, we're supposed to go to the balcony. There are like 2 balconies. I will take you to the first chill balcony, and the other balcony from the loo, from the restroom, there is something you guys I want to show you. So come along. So guys, I want to take you on a short trip to the kitchen, guys. Imagine we self-catered for ourselves, we cooked for ourselves, we did everything for ourselves. So there's a little man in front of me. So guys, let me take you to the kitchen. Oh guys, there's a lot that is happening over here. There is some chicken here which we're supposed to cook just now. After, maybe it will be part of the vlog. I'm a good chef, by the way, guys. I'm just saying. So there is a burner. There is all these pots for cooking. I mean, there is everything. There is a sink complete with some good water. There is some gas over here. So yeah, this is the kitchen where we did everything. There is food here actually that we're just about to cook. So guys, yeah, that is the kitchen. We have a fire extinguisher just in case of anything. These people are so ready for emergencies. I like it. So guys, yeah, that is the tour to from the kitchen or to the kitchen. And now I want to show you somewhere. This is a table, guys. You can just come chill. It is bad manners to sit on tables, at least from my end. So there is another place here where my friend who was coming to see is seated. I want to show you guys her. So this place is extremely beautiful, such a large space. So you guys can imagine it's outdoor, as you can see. I am sure you have noticed we are in an outdoor space. So guys, look at this place. My god, beautiful. See how she's relaxing. Yeah, that's what vacay is all about. So guys, I want to take you to the other balcony that I told you about, and I want to show you guys some things that they give as complimentary when you're in the hotel. You can use any other facility you want, including, come guys, let me show you what is here. Oh, they are bikes, guys. They are bikes, 2 of them. Imagine, guys. So when you come here and you feel like in the morning you want to go cycle, in the afternoon, whatever time. So guys, they are bikes that you can go cycle with. You can ride, you can, I don't know whatever. So guys, that is just about it. I will give you guys an area shot of this place, the specific place that we were staying in. So guys, yeah, Thank you for keeping us company. It has been a nice day here. We want to leave in the next maybe 3 hours or so. After we've done our breakfast, I have shown you guys that we have food that we need to cook and eat, of course. So guys, thank you so much for subscribing. For those people who have not subscribed, kindly consider doing so. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification, guys. I will see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.